Printing on paper is yesterday's technology. Now you can print in plastic, thanks to 3D printing technology, and it's going mainstream. I caught up with Bruce Jackson at his stand at CeBit for a hands-on demonstration.
Well, it's like a hot glue gun on steroids. It's quite an exciting technology. We're entering the consumer market with 3D printers now. We launched at CeBit in Australia today.
When you say 3D printing, what do you actually mean? What kind of image, or how does it come out?
Well, it's melting plastic. It's ABS plastic, and here I've got a bearing in my hand. This is printed all in one go, fully assembled. So it extrudes the plastic and builds it up 0.2 millimeters per layer, and then you get a working bearing.
Walk me through this part. I mean, there's obviously some kind of image or spec this is going off. How do you create that, and what kind of technology does it use?
Well, there's different ways of getting the models, the 3D models. You can either create them, design them in 3D CAD. You can download the models. There's libraries of thousands and thousands of libraries of models that you can download and then print.
And when you say print it, it actually takes that specification, puts it into a machine, and then spits out a plastic model.
That's right. So it's a very simple process. The design of 3D CAD has got a lot easier and more intuitive to use. We sell these machines into primary schools, so kids, instead of using paddle pop sticks to do their projects, can actually print their projects. So if you're doing a project on Paris, you can print an Eiffel Tower.
What are the business applications of this? I mean, you mentioned primary schools. Are there design studios using this kind of thing, or architects?
Yeah, totally. We've got customers like Electrolux using it as a prototyping tool. So you do it designing a new product, you print out a prototype, and you can test it. This is ABS plastic, same plastic used in your dishwasher, so you can actually use these parts as functional parts.
How long does it take to actually print, for example, a model of a person?
Well, a little 4-inch character would take about an hour and a half to print.
And before you actually print someone, I saw you scanning something early before. How does that work?
Well, we're using a hacked Microsoft Xbox Connect camera to do a very simple and basic scan of a person in 3 dimensions.
And what does that allow you to do once you have that scan?
Well, it basically allows us just to grab the scan and just clean it up a little bit and then print out the model. So you make a mini-me of yourself.
Do Microsoft know about this hacked Xbox connector?
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do.
And they're happy with that?
They're happy with that, yeah.
Now, how much does one of these printers set you back?
We've just launched this new one for the consumer market, and it's $9.95 excluding tax. So out of the box, put it on your desk, away you go.
And the actual plastic itself to put inside the printer?
$59 a roll, so you could probably print about 50 of these bearings on one roll of plastic. So it does go quite a long way. The printer is an open platform, so that means that you're not locked into inkjet, priced consumables like a regular inkjet printer.